Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a display that completely transforms your viewing setup. This 110-inch UHD LED Smart TV is designed for anyone who wants a theater-like experience without leaving home. The moment it turns on, the size alone makes everything feel bigger, brighter, and more immersive. A 110-inch 4K screen brings out details that smaller displays simply can't reproduce. Textures look incredibly sharp, colors pop naturally, and the overall presentation feels rich and cinematic. With a 16:9 panel, movies, shows, sports, and games look exactly the way they're meant to be seen. Full, wide, and without distortion. One of the best things about this display is how well it handles reflections. The anti-glass surface works to reduce glare from overhead lamps or daylight coming in through windows. Even in bright rooms, you get a clear view without losing contrast or depth. This alone makes a massive difference when you're watching dramatic scenes or dark sequences. Connectivity is another strong point. Wi-Fi is built in, so streaming apps are ready to go as soon as it's powered on. There are multiple HDMI and USB ports, making it easy to hook up gaming consoles, laptops, media boxes, or external drives. Everything you need for a full entertainment hub is already integrated. Performance feels snappy as well. The Smart UI loads quickly, browsing menus is smooth, and apps respond without delays. A screen this size demands fast navigation because any lag becomes noticeable, but the system handles tasks with ease. From switching inputs to jumping between apps, the experience remains fluid. To make setup easier, the TV includes both a wall mount and a stand. For a clean, modern look, the wall mount helps you create a minimal floating display. If you want flexibility or don't want to drill into walls, the stand gives you stability and freedom to move or reposition the screen whenever needed. Either option makes the TV feel premium and well thought out. Watching movies is where this TV truly shines. Big sci-fi scenes, animated sequences, sports events, and action films fill your entire field of vision. The scale creates an atmosphere you usually get only in dedicated home theaters. Even everyday streaming feels more exciting when it spans over 100 inches. Gaming also becomes a whole new experience. The 4K resolution keeps fast-paced scenes crisp, and the massive size makes you feel like you're inside the world of the game. Racing feels more intense, adventures feel more expansive, and FPS games pull you into the action more than smaller screens ever could. This TV is built for anyone who values immersive entertainment. The blend of sharp resolution, giant screen size, smart features, and strong brightness performance makes it an impressive option for home theaters and modern living rooms. If you want to explore it or pick one up, the link is waiting in the description below.